All right, Math 7, Unit 6, Lesson 18, Subtraction in Equivalent Expressions. All right, so again, the first one's for you to do, cool down for today, says select all the expressions that are equivalent to 4 minus x. So there are different ways of writing the 4 minus x, and so you need to pick out which ones are equivalent. Number 2, use the distributive property to write an expression that is equivalent to 5 times negative 2x minus 3. Okay, so how do you do this here? A couple different ways of looking at it. All right. So if we use the box method, I think you put a 5 here. We put a minus 2x right there and put a minus 3 right there. So 5 times minus 2x is a negative 10x, and 5 times minus 3 is negative 15. So to rewrite this here, you'd have negative 10x minus 15 is the way to use the distributive method to put that there and that there to rewrite that expression. Number 3, for each expression, write an equivalent expression that only uses addition. So we want to change stuff to not have any subtraction. Okay. So negative 20 is not using addition. That's just it's the value of the number is negative 20, and we're going to add 12. And instead of subtracting 16, we can think about adding a negative 16, and instead of subtracting negative 7, we can think about adding a negative 7. So now it's all addition, and that is the idea they want you to do there. Okay, so that's really it. They don't have to solve it, just want you to rewrite it as only addition problems. And do that for B and C. Number 4, use the distributive property to write an expression that is equivalent. If you get stuck, use the boxes to help organize your work. So you can use a box if you need to. If you don't, you're okay. So here we go. I'm gonna go A, I'll do C, and I'll do E. So 7 times 3 is 21x. 7 times negative 5 is negative 35y. And 7 times 8 is positive 56. And that's it. All right, 2/3 times 3. Again, the 3's would cancel each other out. So you're left with 2 times x for that first part. 2/3 times negative 9 is going to be a negative number because negative times a positive. The 3 cancels this 9, makes it a 3 there. 2 times 3 is 6. So I'm left with 6y. And 2/3 times 8, well, that doesn't work out too well. It's positive. I can't reduce 3 in the 8, so I just multiply. 2 times 8 is 16, and the denominator stays a 3, and we leave it just like that. For E, they put the 4 over here. That's okay. All right, let's just start over here. We'll multiply this one first. 4 times negative x is negative 4x. 4 times negative 3y is negative 12y. And 4 times 7 is positive 28. If you went the other way, that's okay. You could also have written it out as 28 minus 12y minus 4x. It's the same thing, just different order. That's how that works. And finally, number 5, translate the situation as an expression. Lynn made bags of goodies for each of her 5 friends. She put 12 Jolly Ranchers and some mini Snicker bars in each bag. All right. So, what do we know? She had 12 Ranchers and some mini Snicker bars in each bag, and she made 5 bags for her 5 friends. That's what we have. It's an expression. No need for an equal sign. All right, and why don't you go and try B on your own. Diego gave his 3 nephews each a box of toys. Each box contained 5 toy trucks and some cars. So I'll let you solve that on your own. Best of luck. That's it for today. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.